Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to install different PHP versions on Hostinger. First of all, go ahead to the official website. And if you want free domain, free website migration, 24/7 customer support, visit the link in the description box. And if you don't like the plan, you will get 30-day money back guarantee if you are not enjoying the experience. So visit the link in the description box and let's get right into it. So now, if you want to change PHP versions of your Hostinger, just go ahead, to your website section and then click on dashboard next to the website in question. Then search for PHP configuration on the sidebar and click on the given result to access those settings. On the PHP configuration page, select the PHP version that you wish to use and then click on update. Okay, the PHP version will be updated within a couple of minutes. The selected version will apply to all the websites added to your Hostinger hosting plan, except for websites created using the Hostinger website builder. Right, and you're going to see the unsupported PHP versions. It's recommended to make sure that your website code is compatible with the latest PHP version. For security reasons, deprecated versions like 7.2 and lower are unavailable on Edge panel. In addition, using unsupported versions may cause stability and performance issues on your website. However, sometimes an older PHP version may be necessary, e.g. for testing and troubleshooting. In that case, you can temporarily change the PHP version by editing its htaccess file. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.